Hi, everybody. Welcome into Mud's Closet. This is Miriam. I appreciate that you're here. Today, I have a thrift haul, and I'm very excited about it because I really haven't gone through it yet, piece by piece. So, this I've had for a while, and Project Life is not really something that I've done a lot with, but I got this box of 616 cards for $1.99 at Goodwill. And I've seen some YouTube artists use these in their junk journals. I really don't know much about these, but I'm kind of excited to play with them. So that's the first thing, and I just thought $1.99 for all of those. Let me know if you have used these, used the cards, and what you've done with them in your junk journals. So that's the first thing. Then today I went to, it's a beautiful day here in the Midwest, and so I got up early and ran some errands, had lunch with some of my family, came home and did a little yard work, and now I'm having some fun. And honestly, all of that stuff was fun, but you know what I mean. So I went to Scrap Mania in Cedar Rapids, and I'm not sure that I have all these details right. I think that Stacy, the owner, went to an estate sale and bought a crafter's supply from an estate sale. And so she has a bunch of stuff there that she's pricing. And I thought this might be also kind of a fun interview or introduction to the garage sales that they have there, because there will be indoor garage sale starting on May 28th. And if you can get to Scrap Mania and you can look up the address online, those are really fun. But this red tackle box that doesn't even fit in my camera was full for $15, including the tackle box. So I picked it up. I did not look closely at everything. And I just want to say also, all the stuff in this bag was in there too, but we couldn't get the lid closed, so we put these things in a bag. Now, some people say that it's not smart to not look closely at things. I am gonna widen this out a little bit, but what I'll tell you is that this is like a treasure chest surprise for me. So I am just fine not looking at every single thing before I purchase it in this kind of situation, because look, it's amazing. And for $15, that was great. So I just want to go through this with you. It might get kind of long, but I'm all right with that. If you're all right with that, watch for as long as you'd like. But this is some really pretty gold stuff that will really help embellish my journals. Lots of different ribbons and trims. This is kind of a burgundy. I'm gonna just wind that up. It's a charm. Looks like a house, a brick house, something. I don't think my lighting is quite right, you guys. I don't know if you can really see. Let's try that. Things that are clearly just kept for, oh my gosh, you guys, there's embroidery floss, different trims. That looks kind of Jacobean. Lots of gold, and I really like gold. Metallic green. I really feel like I can't go. Even just these tags, these things that might normally end up in the landfill. Oh my goodness, there is a ton of DMC floss here. We are memory keepers. Little metallic thread, that's pretty. More gold. You can see, oh, there's a stamp in here of a car. and another stamp of a fish, and another stamp of another fish. Some pretty ribbons and trims. You guys, I probably could spend the day going through this. Some eyelash trim, more gold. I will have to take a closer look, but isn't that fun? More metallic, fun stuff. Some pink. And then if we lift that out, this is packed as well underneath. You guys, and this is a big tackle box. So lots of ribbon. Some pretty pink trim. Those are like little daisies. I don't know if you can see those. Those are fun. Some baker's twine. Looks like vintage rickrack. More embroidery floss. And then all of these things were in it as well. So, I mean, that's a lot of stuff, y'all. Ooh, that's pretty. I tend to really be drawn to neutrals, and when they have a little metallic in them, that's great too. More DMC craft thread, some ribbon, more ribbon. That's fun. The other thing that I picked up there for the sale was this container of goodies for $3. Doesn't that look like fun? And look at how neat the closure is on this. They had another one of these there, and if I think I would have probably picked it up if I looked closer at the case, because that closure is neat. And then it again is just full of, that's fun, some gardening, boutique trims, made in the USA. I'm not really familiar with that brand, but those, I love garden. And here's one of sea themes. Look at those shells and starfish. I know I will use those. More trims, and that's a sweet little angel. And then really, I mean, I believe we can call this junk. 99, some buttons. Anyways, it's worth marking your calendar for starting May 28th if you want to get some good bargains. Some jingle bells. This is a neat kind of bell too. Tell me, do you think I got a good deal? The tackle box and this miscellaneous box for $18 plus our local sales tax. What do you think? And was there something that really caught your eye that you enjoyed? These are sports-like. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, please like, subscribe, and share, and let me know if there's anything that you would like to see. Have a great afternoon, and thanks for watching.